is that when you mix personal and business expenses, it becomes very difficult for you to keep track of what's actually deductible. You're going to have to go back through your bank statements and read through and try to figure out, what was this purchase for? And if you're using it at a place like Amazon, say for example, you don't know if that was a leash for your puppy or if that was actually the new computer for your business. So it becomes very hard to make sure you're tracking all of your deductions. You can miss out on legitimate business write-offs because you can't prove the expense was business related. Now, the bigger picture and the bigger issue with that is, if your business is ever audited by the IRS, they ask you for proof of these expenses. If you have unclear records, it's going to raise red flags. And then they can deny you deductions, even assume that you're not running a real business. This can happen for both federal and state. I'm actually working with somebody right now for the state of Maryland, where the IRS accepted the business expenses and the business deductions, but the state of Maryland said, so now we're in a situation where we have to go through all of her bank statements and records to try to make it very clear which expenses were actually legitimate business write-offs.